All right, 60 minutes. For some odd reason, it doesn't look like 60 minutes. And it becomes a little hard to tell the rides with the new Lightning Lane. But it just reopened a couple weeks ago, and we're gonna ride it today. I got me a bag of snacks, a bag of goodies, a Monster, which is a great substitute for coffee. And while we brave this crazy line, but not too crazy. So don't you go changing, or I will find you. Okay, so I'm stopped in line. My on-ride time is 1:08. So let's see how long this really takes. It really takes to get to the to load on the ride. So I stand here in the face of danger. And what am I doing? Eating some Cheetos and drinking some Monster. I'm afraid. I'm very afraid. Actually, I'm not. But nonetheless. That's what's running this whole operation. You thought SoCal Edison was bad. I'm thinking about detailing the truck, but I don't think I get very far. Yeah.
There's just some things in life that aren't worth saving.
What do you guys think? Leave a comment. Okay, so we're already here, past all this, and it's only at 1:19. This line is moving very fast because there's not a lot of Lightning Lane people. So a lot of times if you see a line where there isn't a lot of Lightning Lane and we'll say 60, it's a good sign that you're gonna have a shorter wait. But if you see a ton of Lightning Lane people, that definitely no. So 1:20 and we're almost in the building. I actually got a can of Monster, and I'm gonna have to suck it down so quick because this is moving a lot quicker than I even anticipated. Yeah. This is the construction for the treehouse right here. And I just love this part of Adventureland. So pretty. Look at all the trees. So cool. So very cool. Thank you, Christy. Watch out for those bats. Right here in the middle of the jungle. With huge bats and manta rays floating around my damn body. Not a good day for that guy. Oh no. Y'all ready? Oh no! Keep our hands to myself. Everybody okay? Everybody pinned? Nobody? Okay, we're good then. Whatever you do not hit that pole. I mean, you might cave the whole place in. Then where would Disney make all their money? I don't understand. The latest and greatest in that anti-intruder technology. The big freaking slab of rebar reinforced concrete. Yeah. Brinks should sell this. They make a killing. Ooh, look at these up here. Oh, come on. We like people. They'll be shorter if you let these go free. A lot shorter. So it's got to be a fool working down here, right? Caution, do not pull on rope. Okay. Maybe we can get him to fall. I would love. Okay, hold on. That guy's not having a good day.
To the Temple of the Forbidden Eyes, I, Salva, shall now give you counsel to seek out a miraculous journey. Here in your transportation devices are ingenious pouches for safekeeping all earthly treasures when the journey becomes bumpy. And to keep you safe and sound, here are special belts attached into the seats. Simply pull it from the right, inserting it into the left, like so. You see the excellence of this invention? Your off-road journey is high speed and turbulent, going over rough and rugged terrain, and then suddenly you are turning sharply and dropping suddenly. It is unlike anything you have ever experienced, I assure you. Now, my friends, one final word of advice. Once you've entered the chamber of destiny, look not into the eyes of the idol. That would be dangerous. Very dangerous.
Man, I remember the first time I was shot out of a cannon. They build those things tough. That's not cosmetic at all. That's like a football helmet. Is that a Star Wars one? Holy cow, they really want to lower their liability, don't they? Wow. Nothing's happening to Red 5 tonight. His head will stay intact. If your cell phone or whatever gets lost, it will end up here. Good luck reaching for it. Oh yes. Ooh, dynamite. I can use that for a couple of frat parties. Definitely. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. We're with you. You have a cool haircut. You can't be scared. I love your hair. That's great.
I'm not scared.
That's Wendy. I am the Mad Hatter. Mad Hatter friend.
Are you as mad as the Hatter though?
I'm madder. Because it does matter.
Or you can go ahead.
Oh, okay. You want to drive, huh? Probably better than me. I'm not the best driver in the world. I took the crash and everything. You should see my insurance rate. It's off the chart, baby. Even with this strong thing here, I crashed.
You have lost so many minutes on this road.
Oh, I know. And I have one that I don't want to lose, so I'm holding on to dear life. And my hat. Oh yes, gotta lose that.
Are you there? Come in! Splendid. You have only to take your seats, friends. Buckle up tightly now.
Hang on to your butts, folks. We're all in the edge as engineers. Pray for us. Pray for us. Yes.
Hello? Oh, my friends. The French may be needing a little You seek the future. I will give you a quantum of time. It is your destiny.
You're healed.
This snake wasn't that big. What's the difference?
So we came, we saw, we conquered, we got past that snake, which doesn't look a lot better than the old one, but hey, at least it functions. And we made it out of the Temple of the Forbidden Eye. So don't you go changing, or I'll find you. And don't you go changing, or I'll find you too. Howdy. Oh yes, another one of my favorite rides right there. The Jungle Cruise. Peace.